What makes your Double Oven Pro even better is how it performs on the inside. Looks aren't everything. Allow me to explain. Welcome to my Ninja Kitchen. My name is Roxanne Wilson. I go by Rox Talk Show, and today we're in the kitchen with a brand new oven that just launched. I'm so excited to show this to you because if you love the double oven, you love the idea of like saying goodbye to your oven and being able to cook faster, more conveniently, and cook more than one thing in different settings, well, then the Ninja Double Oven is for you. Ninja came out with a double oven February 2023. It was a good time because it's been a great oven, but now 3 years and some change later, they have launched a new one, and when you see it, you're going to see why I'm so excited about it and so many people are so excited about it all as well too. So let's dive in. The biggest thing you need to know about your Ninja Double Oven Pro is that it now comes in colors, and the colors are hot. Let me show you. This is the classic. It's your stainless steel, and hello, boom. No black at all in sight with this one. So if you love and you have a stainless steel kitchen, this is like they're totally calling your names. This one is the Onyx. The Onyx has actual copper detailing on it, not only on the doors, it also has copper on the actual frame as well too, which is on the console as well too. Stunning, ridiculous, I know. And there's more colors. Now I don't have them all, but I do have one that I'm gonna tell you right now is my favorite. This happens to be your stone, and I am obsessed with the stone. Personally, it's called Stone and Gold. So you get stone. When it comes to Ninja, stone is the color that sells out first and it's hard to come by. So I'm super excited we have the stone for you, and it's with your gold detailing. You'll see the gold as well right there on the actual console itself. I mean, these are good. Now there's also a cyberspace that I don't have my hands on yet, but when I do, I might have to do another video just to show you the cyberspace. Oh, it'll happen. At the end, there's also a silver. I'm not so much in love with the silver. The silver reminds me of the one before, but if you're looking for silver, silver will be a silver color, and the console itself, the actual console will be black like this. All right, now that you know the colors, let's go into what this is actually going to do for you. As always, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I've got big goals for you this year and for myself on this YouTube channel, so I'd love it if you'd watch through the entire video because that helps immensely. Frankly, it'll give me an opportunity. My goal is to get to a point where I can actually just allow you to shop in real time while I'm doing these videos for you on YouTube. So please go ahead and watch to the end because that's how we're gonna get closer to that goal. You can be part of that. Now, well, you and I know that color matters, and it really does. What makes your Double Oven Pro even better is how it performs on the inside. Looks aren't everything. Allow me to explain. Your double oven has actually been tested against the Breville, and it actually cooks 2 times faster. Also remember, you're gonna have the ability to do double cooking. So let me show you what I mean by that. Now, both of your ovens are separate. Understand there will be no cross-contamination. So your cookies aren't gonna taste like asparagus. Your asparagus is not gonna taste like cookies, although that might be kind of nice if it did. So on the top, you have what's called a Quartz heat toaster oven. Now that's huge because when you talk about toaster ovens, the Quartz, which actually means there's 6 rods in here. There's 6 rods in here that happen, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom that happen to be quartz. Now, why does it matter that it's quartz? Because with your quartz cooking system, instead of heating up the whole oven, it's going to go directly to your food, which gives it lightning fast cooking. And it also has no hot spots. So whether you put your food back there, over here, here, or here in the middle, you're going to have even cooking, and it also keeps the moisture in. So you don't have to worry about your food drying out, which, hello, that means it's tasty as well too. On the top, you're going to be able to broil, toast, bagel, bake, reheat, and keep warm. I just want to point out that when you're talking about toasting and bageling, the reason there's 2 different settings is because with the toaster, it's going to engage your quartz on both top and bottom. Whereas with the bagel, it's only going to engage it on the top because you don't want a toasty bottom on your bagel. Down below, with your bottom oven, now you're going to have the ability, friends, to have, it's a conventional oven plus an air fryer. And one of the items they did with the Ninja Double Oven Pro is that now you have the Max Crisp feature. Max Crisp is a fan favorite because Max Crisp, which originally started off with the crispy, allows you to take things to 450 degrees of temperature. That means crispier fries, crispier bacon, crispier wings, and it also means that now you can take things from the freezer, bring them directly over here, and not worry about having to defrost. It's going to be delicious. Now, depending on the double oven you get, most likely you're going to get your air frying basket. You'll get 2 12-inch pans, plus you're going to get 2 wire wraps. You'll get all of that baked in here as well. Now, one of the things that makes the double oven a fan favorite is this button right here. This is a button. This is your Smart Finish button. On below, you'll be able to whole roast, air fry, conventional bake, make your pizza, and Matt's crisp. Pizza will be 12 inches in size. When we talk about chicken, you can take a 4.5-pound whole chicken to go down here. So let's say you're doing your chicken, you're doing a rotisserie style whole roast, and you've got it going on. It takes about an hour. But up here, you want to make mac and cheese, and you're baking your mac and cheese, and it takes 30 minutes. With your Smart Finish button, you're basically telling Ninja to figure out the mechanics to make sure that you can have everything done at the same time. Your machine will not start your mac and cheese until there's 30 minutes left of the chicken. Hello, that is also phenomenal and so great. Another reason to love it. I should mention as well too, you're going to get your quick start guide. I love these things. It's like a magazine of yesteryear. Not only does the Ninja Kitchen actually test everything in the grocery store with their items before they put them out to market, but also they come up with their favorite recipes and give you some tidbits on how to do them in here. Don't sleep on that. It's so good. And if for some reason you lose it, you could always there's an online version. Your Ninja Double Pro oven is going to cook more than 65% faster than an actual oven. It's not going to heat up like your oven does. So when you think about the summertime, you're not having to run the air conditioner just because you want to make some cinnamon rolls. You're going to be able to do it in here. It's lightning fast. It's fantastic. And the food is so juicy. And of course, you can cook more than one thing at a time. So it's great for entertaining or just getting what you need to get done more efficiently. It's available right now. And as always, don't forget, I've got a special discount. Use the code ROCKS on the link below so you can take it home from sharkninja.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my Substack. That's where you're going to find out everything that I'm doing during the week. Not only finding out about new videos just like this, but also different deals. And where I go live, you can catch me there and ask me more questions. I'm curious, which color are you going to get? Will it be your onyx, your stainless steel, your stone, or even the cyberspace? Let me know in the chat.